A 100-year-old lady taught me this savory pie that melts in your mouth. In a bowl, we're going to add 4 eggs. Next, a teaspoon of salt. Now let's mix everything well. Add half a cup of oil, a cup of milk, and mix again. Now add 2 cups of flour. Then add a tablespoon of baking powder. This is the perfect consistency. Now let's assemble our pie in a greased, floured pan. Add some dough, then seasoned chicken. Top with grated mozzarella. I also used some creamy cheese spread. Repeat the process until you use all the dough. To decorate, I use tomato slices and oregano. Just pop it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees until golden. Look how amazing our pie turns out, folks. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. Then just unmold it onto a plate. Now we just slice and enjoy. See how soft and delicious this pie is. I hope you liked it. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.